Okay, I just finished doing my laundry and washed my fitted and my flat sheet. But I'm not sure if a lot of people know how to fold a fitted sheet. So I'm just going to take the time out to show you how it can be done. Alright, you put your hand, you notice the fitted sheet has a little stitch at the corners. You're going to put your hand like this. You're going to bring it over and put your middle finger right there, and same for the other side. Here you go, found it. So you're gonna have it like this. You're gonna put both together like that. You're gonna flip this over, and then you bring both like that, because normally sometimes I have someone else to help me, but now I'm doing it by myself. So I hold it like this and I put it down like that because I want to catch the other corner. This is it. And this is it. And I put it over like this. Okay. I hold both to the corner that I have. As I said, normally I have someone to help me, but because no one is available right now, I have to practice to do it myself. So when I do it myself, I have to put it on the bed and do it like this. Alright. Okay, the other thing I do now, I look, see, and down here, I do the same. Hold it there. Alright, so I'm gonna bring both in like that. And then in like that. Okay. Flip it on the other side so you can see. Okay. And then you hold it like this and bring it like that. You notice when you buy your sheets, this is how it is come. It has come, and you just bring them together like this. See? Then, see? Normally some of them come with cardboard, but I don't need a cardboard because I can do it without using a cardboard. And this is my flat sheet. Normally people just fold it in half like this. And fold it, but I do it the other way. I get this hand along with the other hand and do it like this and bring it all the way down. See? Like that. And this is the other end. Get it straight. Now, don't have anyone to help you. You just do it like this. You grab this one, this corner, and this one. Do it like this. You hold it. And try to catch the other end like this. Then you hold it so you don't lose the end of it. Each time you get it together, you just hold the part that you get together until it reaches to the end. See? I still hold on to this so I don't lose the grip of it. Spin it over like that, and I get my half. Normally when I have someone to help me, I wouldn't do it in this half. I would bring it the same, just the same, all the way down. But because I'm doing it all by myself, let me just move that out of the way so you can see. I'm going to fold these ends together. Like my four ends. And then this over like this. And then I hook it so I catch it properly. And then use my thing, and it in half. If you can't manage to do it on your own like that, you can do like this. Use your hand to give it an iron so it doesn't look crushy, and just use your hand and then bring it like this. Now taking it out of the dryer, you can just easily fold it. If you're at a laundromat, for instance, you don't have a dryer at home and you go, you don't have to put it on anything, just hold it like this in front of you, lock it like this, and then bring the other part over like this. And then you use your finger, bring it in like this, slide it all the way down, but you're holding this like that, and then you just close it, and then you can fold it another in half again, so it's much shorter. There you go. So I'm folding it just like the way when you buy it from the store and take it out of the plastic. This is how it looks. Thanks guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe to Miss Valerie Can Help. Thank you.